Did you know that back when the lockdown first happened in March and April and everything was shutting down, what else just went away was jumbo financing. In the course of a day, it almost was completely gone, and within a week, it was completely gone from the marketplace, as far as I could tell. Now it's coming back, but there's a few things you should know whether you're going to purchase or refinance in order to help you secure a jumbo loan, and so you don't get too stressed out and overwhelmed with the process and turn times, etc. So let's talk about it. First of all, know that rates vary. Rates I see as a wholesale broker, we have access to many different wholesale channels, and there's rates from the 4s all the way into the 2s. So there is a huge discrepancy on rate. A lot of it varies on your income type and your scenario, but there also is just different lending prices with different investors in general right now. Second is turn times. Turn times, I have some wholesale lenders that are taking 3 days to underwrite a jumbo loan, maybe 7 days to underwrite a jumbo loan. Others are taking 35 business days to underwrite a jumbo loan. That's basically 60 days. Now, why would you go there? Because they're doing things that others aren't as far as guidelines go. We're going to talk about that in a minute, but just know you're going to need to be patient in getting this loan done. 3 is reserve requirements. Every single jumbo lender seems to have reserve requirements that are a little bit different. Reserves are basically cash that you have in the bank that we can use to source future payments. So like one month of reserves is 1 month of payments in the bank. If your monthly payment's $4,000 and we need 2 months reserves, then we need $8,000 in the bank when you close. However, if you own multiple properties, if you're departing a residence, the reserve requirements will vary. Number 4 is guidelines and documentation. These loans are very documented, and the documentation and the guidelines differ between lenders. So you're going to need to be very proactive with your loan officer and their team in getting the documents, and know that when things expire, we're going to need new documents. And if the process is long, things will expire. So you need to be patient. Don't lose your head. We're going to get it done. Remember, during the pandemic, of course, everyone's making sure you're employed and making sure that you're making your mortgage payments. And a lot of lenders, if you miss a mortgage payment on forbearance, you're basically just done. They're not going to do your loan. Not you're back in its current, you're just done. So that's another thing you need to watch out for. Now, as usual, of course, I recommend checking out your options with a local independent mortgage broker, such as Fresh Home Loan Inc. and myself, who's privy to the jumbo market. Thank you. Have a good day. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, follow, etc. I appreciate you.